Things that I'm no longer interested in. Number 1, driving at night. Nope. Number 2, driving in winter. Too much snow. Number 3, getting on a scale. I don't like that anymore. And number 4, arguing with idiots. Number 5, being fashionable. Number 6, going to the gym. No use going to the gym anymore. I'm above 50. I don't really care. Number 7, kale. Who likes kale? Number 8, wearing clothes that don't stretch. I need it. Number 9, counting carbs. I don't want to count them anymore. And number 10, caring about what other people think of me. Not anymore.